So it's serious out here in Croydon, people, yeah. As you can see, look, this guy here is storing his whole house and belongings, yeah, inside the phone box, and then he's gonna just put it, look, he's gonna lay out, and this is where he's gonna pattern himself wherever to sleep.
Alright, General, this is the best of the Well, scream, big man.
Did you have a
It's rough out here, people, yeah. So if you can help, and then you can support, look, as you can see that he needs bedding. He needs something. If it was raining right now, it would actually be peak. Want a bottle of water?
Yeah, man, go on.
Let Patrick get a bottle of water.
Yeah, I'm alright, Patrick.
Are you a virgin that Sue?
Eh?
I feel your friend.
Oh, he ended up over there last night, I think.
Him feed the homeless.
He needs some dumpling. Him say one whole
No,
heap.
big man, I got bad knee feet.
Tell him.
Ain't no dumpling in there. That's why I'm laughing. That's why I'm laughing. And no dumpling in the pot, you know. Never.
It is off, yes. I'll believe it as well.
Thank you very much.
You get 5 meals a day?
No, because the people whose shop I sit in front of like me because I keep quiet. I don't ask for money. I just sit there. I say good morning to people with a smile on my face. They say good morning back with a smile on their face. And then if they want to...
That is it. Yeah, it's Ringo Vision. Ringo Vision.
Wingo.
No, yeah, with an R.
Banking, yeah?
Yeah. One love, bro.
Thank you, boss, man.
Yeah, man, you're welcome, yeah? Alan? Yes, you want some more soup?
I'm good. No, I'm good.
Alright, that are good vibes.
Water.
Are good vibes.
What, the water as well?
Who needs water?
Yeah.
Patrick, you want a bottle of water?
Yeah, man, go on.
Let Patrick get a bottle of water. So it's serious out here in Croydon, people, yeah. As you can see, look, this guy here is storing his whole house and belongings, yeah, inside the phone box, and then he's gonna just put it, look, he's gonna lay out, and this is where he's gonna pattern himself wherever to sleep. It is really rough out here on the streets. Certain areas is worse than some, but as you can see, people, yeah, it's bad. It's rough. These two gentlemen just had their dinner, and look, this is where the gentleman's gonna patch up his thing to sleep tonight. It's rough out here, people, yeah. So if you can help, and then you can support, look, as you can see that he needs bedding. He needs something. If it was raining right now, it would actually be peak. And we're just right here as well with the kitchen. Yeah, thank you. So, friend, what's happening right now? Yeah, it's like Sue. You see what Ringo has to do at the end of the day? I have to wash out the pot.
I know.
Yeah, good
You're
vibes.
very, very good on health and safety.
Good vibes.
Oh my god, you're here again. Still?
Yeah, I'm alright.
They haven't done nothing for you.
No, it's like I've got an appointment with the social counsellor tomorrow, or whatever she is. I don't know.
What, from the council?
Yeah. I've got to meet her at a doctor's, so I'm going on my own because it's one-to-one.
Did you end up meeting your friend that day?
Oh, I can't remember that far back at the moment. I've had so many talks, you know, so I'm alright.
Yeah.
I've been eating well. Everybody down the road comes back with a sausage roll or a fucking sandwich or a biscuit or a fucking pie.
Something in it, Sue.
Oh, yeah, something, yeah.
You shouldn't be outside though, right?
That's right, I'm still here, I'm still around, I'm still popping up and down.
I know, but it's not nice. especially at your age, out being outside.
My age is a number. I don't act my age. No,
So it's not about that.
I
It's the
know.
fact that you shouldn't be outside.
Don't worry about
That's why we have to do things about it. Us as individuals, we have to take it upon ourselves.
I mean,
Play
I took her to Primark.
No, that's nice.
play a local role, and that's good of you. Like
Yeah.
you get
they
me?
probably do a wash, but I've got
Are
another
they
pair of...
comfortable though, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Cute.
They're so are the knickers.
Yeah. Well, I'm just so glad that I can help you.
Yeah, I know.
Good vibes, good vibes.
I'm really looking.
It's Tyler, big up yourself. That is it. A good vibes.
Man, them paid it for me. Thank you. Thank you. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
That looks lovely.
Big up, big up. We have it.
Where are you?
Hold on, the people. Hold on. Cause we're there, you know.
Where are you?
Big up jerk and jam, you understand? And that's where the food come from, you understand? Good vibes. See, what's going on there?
I'm getting my sweeties out ready for tonight.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I've got loads of sweeties. Look.
Let's have a look.
Hey, Chris, also.
All sorts.
Haribo's.
Haribo's.
I've got crisps.
Good stuff.
You don't want the razors because they're mine. I've got a shave for myself. I've got a bottle of water.
That's it.
No, I've lost half of it. Oh no, couple scratchings.
Alright, people, yeah, so you see that Sue's got a little setup
And
here.
I've got
Some
popcorn.
popcorn. You watching a movie tonight?
Yeah, I'm watching the people walking along the road.
That's it.
my movie.
This is where Sue's movies at, people, yeah. So you don't know, look, it's cold, it's wet, we're here, we're on the high street, you understand? If you can play a part in your local community and you see something out of place and you see that people need help, just try and help, innit? Nothing wrong with trying to help. If you can't, generally, then you can't. But if you can, generally can help, why not? Do you understand? Look at these two young ladies here. Just a prime example here of helping each other. Carrying, one's holding one hand, one's holding one side and the other's holding the other side. Look at that, and they both got big old bags with them. And I'm not just trying to put this on camera, we're talking about it and it's happening. The help, that is the help there. Two women there carrying the bag together, people, yeah? A good vibe. Yes, everybody. So yeah, man, the journey has been absolutely amazing so far. Congratulations. We've hit 10,000, over 10,000 people. And you understand? We're going to be keeping our Christmas dinner for the homeless on the 7th of December, people, yeah? So log that down in your diaries, yeah? A good vibes. We've been out for like 5 months now, helping our local communities and different areas in and around London, people, yeah, and branching out over the UK. Welcome to each and every one of you that have just come on the journey, that's been here from the start. I appreciate every single one of you. Humanity is very important to me. Why? Because I believe that we're all here as oneness together, and it's not just by coincidence, no matter what colour, class or race you are, but we are all one people. And I believe that people that are suffering, there's so much people that are not suffering, that if we all came together and put a helping hand, I'm not saying that everybody has money to give and everybody has something physically to give, but positive energy, good vibes, and sending your love and just sharing and helping where you can from a distance. That is absolutely great and amazing, people, yeah? That's all we need. Encouragement and physical support to aid us to reach our mission of helping 1 million people across the globe, people, yeah? And if you strongly believe that humanity and you are part of humanity and you are here, you understand? We're all living together in one big world. So let's not forget that, people, yeah? We're on a journey, we're on a mission, and the marathon has to continue. It's almost Christmas. When I first started this journey, I didn't once think I was going to be on it for this long. Honest to God, I actually thought, yeah, you know what it is, I'm going to give myself a test, give myself a challenge. And the challenge was feed and help the homeless for 10 weeks. When 10 weeks came, a number came to my head and said, Ringo, feed 10,000 people. And then I said to myself, okay, then 10,000 people, I'm going to give myself up until Christmas. We're now in November and we've achieved that. So it's just the signs and wonders that I've been following, and just by you guys' encouragement that's allowed us to continue this mission and feel that the journey that I'm on and the journey that you guys are on with me, it is the right journey, people. Yeah, one love to each and every one of you. Are good vibes.
Having the people that would judge you about having and getting the food, but what you have done for us, what you've done is absolutely amazing.
You're
You've
welcome.
fed us, and you give us hot food when we're cold, and
No, you're good, babe. You're good. Don't worry about it. I appreciate you as well.
makes me, I know I didn't want to go on camera, but
It's good to express.
what you've done is you've given us food, you've given us,
You're not expecting it, yeah.
and I'm grateful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Careful as well.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And that took a lot from me because I got
What's going on over there? Who's that?
Anita, yeah? I don't care if we go on into, yeah? She does what she does, yeah? She's obviously got caught. She can't remember where she put her bag. I left it there because I don't want to be involved in that antique business. That's not me. No crime. Yeah? So she got annoyed with me. She's hollering my name out because she don't remember where she put her bag and she thought I took her champagne.
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm not involved in crime.
He's not involved. He's not involved. Stop calling out his name. That's what he's saying. He's not involved. We outside on the high street, people, yeah? And the food have to get shared out. You understand? Are good vibes. That is it. Good vibes.
One love, my brother, yeah. Blessings, yeah.
How you been?
Yeah, I've been alright.
Yeah? I see you still reading.
Yeah, I'm on Revelation. I've not read the whole book, I've read a lot of it. I like the letters from Paul.
Yeah.
Like the bit of Psalms, Proverbs. Like, yeah, I'm on Revelations at the moment.
Good stuff.
Samuel, I read Samuel and the Kings, because Samuel and Kings go together.
Yeah.
Do you know David and Goliath?
Yeah, I do.
Basically, King Solomon was David's son.
Yes.
So, you know the mind, Solomon minds, King Solomon and that, and so yeah.
So,
Yeah, man.
so if we could offer a bit more than just food, would a new sleeping bag help?
I'm alright for a sleeping bag, like pants and socks, like wet wipes and stuff like that. Yeah. Do you know what? I remember this question the other day, like the lady ones out here, they might need lady things.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Jump pads and pad.
Huh?
You need pads and stuff like that.
Yeah, like
Yes, the ladies.
the monthly thing.
The month they tampon, they call
Yeah,
it
the
the
tampon
pads.
and
Yeah, not
the-
afraid to say it.
Yeah,
Say it.
and the wings and all that.
Okay.
But I
We'll
can't-
get on
yeah,
top of that.
but that's the point. That's the point to make that.
We're gonna get on top of that.
Yeah. But you hear? So yeah, we're cool, man.
Alright, thank you, yeah?
Yeah, no, you're welcome. No,
Alright.
thank you.
No, you're
God
welcome.
bless you guys.
Bless,
yeah?
boss.
Thank you.
Why not? Why not? I'll wear the same, huh? I've been. Yeah, loads of people. You can come out there, bro.
I'm gonna come up there now anyway, yeah?
Alright, do you see any sleep? Can you go up there? I can guarantee it, mate. I'm a qualified chef myself. I'm going to go out there and yeah. If I see anyone else and I'll see your belt, I'll let yeah, as well as people. What I'm saying is, if I see anyone else, I'll let you know. Alright?
Most important thing about today is that we've fed some people. We're outside on the food, just the food. Yeah, the most important thing is that we've fed some people today. Would you like some food? Yeah? Ronnie, can you hold this for me, please? Thank you.
Super.
Thank you guys, this geezer is the most amazing person in the world. Amazing person. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I normally do, but I'm so stuffed. Because this geezer was...
I've got enough.
Yeah.
Thank you, and thank you ever so kindly.
You're welcome, man.
Helping us sort out here and
Luke, come on.
thank you, Ringo. I just want to say thank you. That's all. No, I'm all good and thank you.
Yeah? Alright.
I'm about to go off. I just want to appreciate it and thank you ever so kindly.
You're welcome, Luke.
Bless you, man.
One love, Luke.
Yeah, one love.
Yes, people. So yeah, man. Not everybody wants to be on camera. So, but I've been out here handing out the soup, people. Yeah, look, we've gone down to that much so far. So I'm just gonna keep handing out the soup until we come to a completion. The marathon continues, people. Yeah, to feed 1 million people. That is it. Good vibes. How's things been since the last time I saw you?
Okay.
How's things been since the last time I saw you?
Okay.
Okay. Have you been coping alright?
No.
No. No support?
Yeah, but I'm just on the waiting list.
Yeah. You see that, people, yeah? Since the last time, and this was weeks ago, he's still homeless, he's still on the waiting list. So, like I said, we need like sleeping bags, we need hats, woolly hats, yeah? Socks, other essential things like hand sanitizers,
I've been wearing the same clothes for the last couple of months.
There you go. You've been wearing the same clothes.
I'm not embarrassed to say that, that's the truth.
You understand? So we do need you guys' help to help us to get these guys back together. You understand? A good vibe. Babla, how does the food taste?
Oh, it's alright.
It's alright?
It's
no
brilliant.
Problem. It's brilliant. Yeah, man, we just reached West Croydon right now.
You have to speak up a bit noisy, Ringo.
I said I just reached West Croydon right now. I'm gonna give Tyler some food. Tyler, how you been?
Been good. What's in this one?
Got some vegetable soup here with some yam and
I know, it's all good stuff. Like, without this, then I don't know, I guess I might have a great energy. Look positive.
How you been today? You alright, yeah? Hopefully this will put back some energy in your body. I'm hopefully trying to get some sleeping bags in. A lot of people's been asking, yeah, Ringo, how can we donate? How can we help towards the cause? So check on my channel in the description, in the bio. I have put the link to a GoFundMe. And the GoFundMe, all what is collected through there will be to help us on the journey, aid towards buying essential things like food products, helping the homeless, to help them to get off the street, to help them with their hygiene levels, essential things like socks, gloves, hats, wipes, and for the females, underwear, for the males, underwear, and also sometimes even to try and help them to get an accommodation overnight as well, to just encourage them slowly until a better solution is here for them and we can do more to actually eradicate the problem that we're dealing with, people. Yeah, one love to each and every one of you. Our good vibes.